Okay, what's up everyone? Today we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of the September Glovebox. Again, this is that monthly detail subscription box. They give you a sampling of products every month, kind of differentiated, and you get to sample a lot of products from a lot of different brands for a cheaper price. So again, they just sent this to me, so thank you to Glovebox. I believe I have a coupon code with them. I don't remember what it is off the top of my head, but it'll be linked down in the description below. But let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got this month. So the first one that they did, I was pretty impressed with the products that they give. There's some really good stuff from Adams and just a bunch of other good stuff. I don't remember exactly what was in there, but let's go ahead and jump into this box. Again, this is the September box. I know I'm a little late on getting this out to you guys. Oh geez, it's the 27th. I apologize. I'm sure they'll be sending me an October box. I'll get that one out to you guys much faster. But if you're new to Glovebox, you haven't heard of them, it's a pretty cool service. So this will give you a good example of the kind of products you get. So let's go ahead and start right off the bat. We have our September Deluxe box. So every time you open a Glovebox, you want to feel the excitement of Christmas morning, and this month you are getting the highest value box ever. Enjoy. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First things first, guys, apparently we have some products from Pro. These guys are amazing. They've been in the industry forever, so good products. Let's see here. First off, we got a couple of microfiber towels. Now, a dark gray and a lighter gray, both with red stitching on the sides. Let's see here. Those look like they are it's from Pro. It's from Pro, and they are 400 GSM microfibers. So they are typically $2.20 each. And it does go ahead. The really cool thing about this, guys, is if you like these products, they give you a discount code on the card. So if you want to go ahead and order those, it should be right on their website. And then you can use code GB20 to get 20% off of these microfibers. Let's go ahead and jump into the next item. We have, all right, guys, so the next product is Epic Ceramic Final Prep Wipe. So this would be something that you do your final wipe to prepare the surface for your ceramic coating. Removes all your dust, any sort of residue, waxes, grease, buildup, whatever else. This will remove it. It is a product from Malco. Malco is a fantastic brand. They are carried in my local detail supply shop. So fantastic there. Now, wow, this is a good box. This is a good box. Okay, so next thing we have from Pro, their Synergy ceramic coating. Now let's open this up and see if this is like an actual, let's see. Synergy is a semi-permanent, super hydrophobic nano ceramic coating specially designed for painted surfaces. The high-tech coating creates an extremely hard, slick, clear barrier of protection for painted surfaces. Now, a lot of times these are a 9H, and that's what this is. 9H is basically clear coat. I think typically kind of ranges from like a 3 to a 7 typically. I've had cars, I had one customer that had a brand new Aston Martin Rapide, super expensive car, beautiful car. I had a custom paint color, and that thing, if you touched it with a microfiber towel, it left marks in the paint because the paint was so soft. I recently did a ceramic coating on a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, and same thing, guys, that paint was pretty soft considering. So we ceramic coated that thing, and now the customer doesn't have to worry about little micro scratches just from touching the paint. So the hardness level is awesome. So it does state on here, we got super hydrophobic effect, scratch resistant 9H, chemical resistant, weather and UV resistant, oh my gosh, weather and UV resistant, high gloss finish, easy to apply, oxidation and corrosion resistant, anti-static properties, and durability, which is what we all want to know for these things, protects up to 2 years. So this is a 50 milliliter bottle. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now, 2 years isn't the best. So here's our bottle, 50 milliliters. What else do we get in here? We get a little foam block applicator, and then the little microfiber or suede, whatever you want to call it, towel. So you just set it up like that, put a couple drops, do your application, buff it off, all good to go. Now, I personally do not like using these. They seem to bunch up. I feel like they're not very enjoyable to work with. I prefer using the little saver pads from Auto Fiber. And basically it's like a little pad and it has a little piece of plastic in between so that the product doesn't saturate all the way through, so you're able to save product. Now, something interesting in this box is they give you, this is called the Puck, I believe. Let's see here. The Rag Company Pearl Puck Applicator. So the Rag Company / Auto Fiber, they combined, they used their pearl weave from the Rag Company with the application benefits of that Saver applicator pad that I was talking about from Auto Fiber. So this is, again, this is a combo piece that is shared from Rag Company and Auto Fiber. They combined to do this. It's a nice circular disc, and it does have the Saver technology where you have a piece of, like, I don't know exactly what it is, but some sort of piece of like a plastic in here. So when you're adding your solution, it's not saturating all the way through and you're not wasting product. All the product stays on the surface and you're able to get the job done better. So really nice little applicator that they give you in this month's box. Okay guys, and last but not least, we got Pro's Synergy Ceramic Detail Spray. Now, after you do your full-blown ceramic coating, you can maintain it and add a little bit of a boost to it using this ceramic detail spray. So I use these products, not specifically this one, but other products like it from other brands on my ceramic coated vehicles that I personally own, on my customers' cars, all that kind of good stuff. You actually can use this as a standalone, and it's gonna add a lot of hydrophobic properties and all that kind of stuff. Now, when you pair it with this, you're getting a really good solution on your paint work. However, this stuff's great as well. Let's go ahead and smell this real quick. Usually these things smell pretty good. Yeah, kind of like citrusy, but it smells good. Let's see here. Then you get a trigger bottle. Obviously that'll be going with our Malco Epic Ceramic Prep Wipe. And that looks like it is it, guys. But really cool, they actually give you a 2-year ceramic coating. This is probably, I have no idea what the actual price is. Again, everything is listed on the card, and you can go on their website. If you like that product, you can buy it again. And it looks like they each have their own little coupon code. It's actually a coupon code on the partner website. So if you were to go to ProWax, you would use code GB20, Glovebox 20, you'd get 20% off. For the Malco, you'd go to Malco's website, 20 MALCO auto, and that'll give you 20% off. The Rag Company, just use code Glovebox for 10% off. And that is it, guys. We also have a little brochure regarding the Synergy ceramic coatings and what they're all about. So pretty cool. It's a good box. It's literally everything here. You'd still want to clay your car, you still want to polish it and do all that kind of stuff, but other than that, once your car's all clayed and polished, you go over to your panel wipe, prep wipe, remove any of the stuff there. You take your Pearl Puck, apply your ceramic coating to it, wipe it on, use your towels, buff it off, and then as a final coat, or a couple, down the road, you can use this stuff to maintain your ceramic coating. So fantastic box here, guys. Really, really good value. Again, I apologize. This is just something that I wanted to do really quickly for you guys. I don't remember the cost of these boxes, but all that information will be down below. And then again, I will have a coupon code down for you. I can't remember what it is right now, but I'll put a coupon code down there for you guys so you can get a box for cheaper and test it out, see if you like it. Anyways, guys, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.